Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Adobe Creative Cloud projects with versioning, detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup your Adobe Creative Cloud projects with versioning, begin by launching the Creative Cloud desktop application. Sign in with your Adobe ID if you have not already done so. Navigate to the Files tab in the left sidebar. Locate the project you wish to backup. Right-click on the project folder or file. Select Download from the context menu. Choose a suitable location on your computer to save the file. Rename the file to include a version number or date for easy identification. Click Save to complete the download. Open your preferred file management system on your computer. Create a dedicated folder for your Adobe Creative Cloud backups. Navigate to the folder you just created. Paste the downloaded project file into this folder. To enable versioning, you will want to create incremental backups. Every time you make significant changes to your project, repeat the download process. Be sure to rename each saved version to reflect the changes made. For better organization, consider using a naming convention like project name _v1, project name _v2, and so on. You can also compress your backup folder into a zip file for more efficient storage. Consider using an external hard drive or cloud storage service for additional redundancy. Regularly review and delete older versions if disk space becomes a concern. This method ensures that you always have access to previous versions of your work. With these steps, you can effectively backup your Adobe Creative Cloud projects while maintaining a clear version. Stay organized and protect your creative work. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.